everyone, I am Dr. Jaspreet Kaur and today I will be reviewing the eConnect Pro Endomotor which I have been using for the past 2 years in my practice. So let us quickly jump on to the features and settings of this eConnect Pro Endomotor from 18th Oricam. eConnect Pro is a cordless endomotor with a 1500 mAh lithium-ion battery which can easily last up to 70 to 80 RCTs in one single charge. It has a charging port here. Lithium-ion batteries are known for fast charging, low discharge rates and can be recharged many times without decline in its performance. It has a brushless motor which consumes less battery and creates less noise compared to a brushed motor, thereby reducing the maintenance cost. It comes with an autoclavable metal contra-angle which can rotate 340 degrees, which enables us to have a direct view of the screen irrespective of which quadrant we are operating on. The size of the head is small for better visibility and access to carry out the mechanical preparation even in the most posterior region with ease. It has a push button type of lock to secure the files. The weight of eConnect Pro is 159 grams and is balanced such that the device doesn't tip away while working. It has 9 memory programs to customize speed, torque and direction of operation, that is forward or reverse, as per the file system we are using. M0 is designed for reciprocation mode which has preset forward and reverse angles. For example, 150 degree forward, 30 degree reverse, 180 degree forward, 30 reverse, 210 degree forward, 30 degree reverse, 250 degree forward, 30 degree reverse and 30 degree forward, 150 degree reverse. eConnect Pro has a speed range of 120 to 1000 RPM and a torque range of 0.5 to 4 Newton centimeter. The screen displays real-time torque values when the motor is on. eConnect Pro has a torque control sensor which can measure the torque applied on the file and take a reverse as a safety mechanism to prevent file separation. This is the auto torque reverse function. Let's check out some advanced setting options. It comes with an auto power off option to save battery in case you forget to switch it off. It has an ambidextrous display in which the screen can be adjusted for both left and right-handed operator. The motor can be calibrated once a month to correct minor fluctuations in speed and torque after several cycles of usage. So that's all about this wonderful device from 18th. If you have any product related queries, feel free to reach us out. Thanks for watching.